What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Rusty and we are on the road again, back just truck driving, chilling, you know what I'm saying. Like always, we are in Augusta, Georgia. We are just got loaded, so we're gonna go ahead and back out of the dock, and then we're gonna be going. I'm gonna be telling you guys a lot of stuff what just happened around this week time. We're mainly gonna be talking about it while I'm truck driving, because kind of, oh man, half a trailer, perfect, double stacked. It's not bad, not bad. We are in Augusta, Georgia, and we did just get loaded, and this week is very special. I'm gonna explain it to you right now. This week is Blitz Week of America. If some of you guys don't know what Blitz Week is, it is pretty much when the DOT and police officers get together and they just decide to just push everybody's butt up because they just got their taxes, and everybody was like, hey, we want a piece of that money. So they go ahead and, you know, pull people over. For us commercial vehicles, they went ahead and decided to, I think this year was load securement, and I think brakes and tires. You guys like my front end? Previously in the last two videos we did, I installed this bash bar, this grill guard, whatever you want to call it, plus these LED lights. I think it makes my truck look very unique, and you guys can spot me on the road. So can DOT officers, I guess, but it is what it is. This week's very special because my last video, you guys seen that I always showed my load rate. This video is also going to be special. In Blitz Week, a lot of old crusty Peterbilts and Kenworths don't want to drive in this week, so that means lower truck volume, that means higher prices. So if you guys want to go ahead in the comments below how much this load is gonna pay out. This is going from Augusta, Georgia. It's going down to Plant City, Florida, and I did do a 130-mile deadhead to get here, so we're looking at about 600 miles. Only new thing is I got bigger flags and some new flags on that side. Truck number obviously stays the same. On the driver's side, we got the modified flag. We also got the modified Ukrainian flag. I will talk a little more about this one later. I've had a lot of people disagreeing about the flag, so we'll talk about it. Like always, I love conversation, and it is a conversation piece. We do, how much miles we got on this bad boy already? We got 71,000 miles. We put a little bit of mileage on her boys, but for a 2020, she's still looking good, looking good. Don't get me wrong, fellas, I obviously support the DOT police officers. They are doing their job, and they're doing their job for a reason. You have to understand, even with them giving you tickets, even with them giving you violations for, you know, commercial vehicle stuff, you have to understand that they are keeping the rates kind of high, right? Because without them, what would we have? We would have 1930s semi trucks, crusty old farts driving around and just polluting this inventory of freight that we have, and it's barely any inventory right now. And we're glad, you know, we're glad they're putting them out of service. We're glad they're going bankrupt. It's kind of weird to say it, actually, that we're glad that companies are going bankrupt, but it is what it is. We are glad, especially owner operators. We're very happy. And why are we happy? Is because least amount of trucks, the higher the prices of cargo. We got 450 miles to roll. Our delivery is for tomorrow. We are chilling, boys. No speeding, no nothing, no violations. Please, DOT, don't pull me over. But if you do, I guess it's gonna make a great video. Did I just jinx myself? Hopefully not. Florida, and it's raining, like always, Florida. I have a pre-pass, that little white thing on my dashboard right there, and the two weight stations that I've traveled through, the Georgia one and the Florida one, all of them are red. Because it is Blitz week, they're not letting nobody just slide through and give you a green so you can just like giggity boom boom, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, they're not gonna let that slide. They pulling everybody in because I don't have a crusty piece of garbage, you know. I got a 2020 Volvo with 70,000 miles fully paid off. You guys want to talk about the Blitz week a little bit? We could if you want. We'll get a little more into it. And there is an approximate amount of trucks not on the road. Probably 99% of them are probably owner-operators that have crusty little Peterbilts here and there. I'm thinking about maybe 10,000 trucks. I just pulled that out of my butt, so I'm not sure exactly how much trucks are not on the road this week. But I think about 10,000 trucks are not on the road this week because of this Blitz week. Also, the rates did skyrocket about 30%. And 30% doesn't seem like a lot, but when you're talking about thousands of dollars, well, you guys don't know the load rate yet for this load. It's a difference. It's a great difference. It pays for a great amount of fuel. So chicka chicka boom boom, you know what I'm saying? We are pulling up to Jacksonville right now, exactly where actually I live. But we do have, I think, another 2.5 hours towards Plant City. We are gonna stop by and visit the fam real quick, maybe eat a little bit of grub, and then keep going. And of course, there has to be traffic at 4:30. Well, that's typical city life, boys. You know what I'm saying? And we are here. It is a secret place that I know of. There is already some truckers right there on a sign that found this place out. They haven't started kicking us out yet, just for parking for a couple hours. But yeah, that's that. Also, I did want to talk to you guys about some dash cam renovations I've been doing lately. And everybody knows about this VIOFO, whatever this brand is right here. And I have been having great luck with this dash cam. And you guys remember right here, there's still some sticky tape left from when I had the Garmin dash cam. The Garmin's gone. It's pretty much obsolete. This is as good as quality as you can get with the dash cam or not. But we do have another dash cam. They sent me another one, okay? So VIOFO sent me another one, and they recommended, is this a better lighting? There you go. Yeah, the sun's facing the other way. They recommended this one for trucking also. If you guys want this model right there, I'm gonna go ahead and open up and check it out and install it right next to this one, and we'll see the quality difference. But it also, like always, comes with the hardware kit, comes with a little Bluetooth control, and their 64 gigabyte memory card. I'm gonna go ahead and install this thing, open it up, and show you guys how it fits on my windshield. What I really like, it comes with this fancy box. Looks like Chanel box for a dash cam. It's like, why do you need such a fancy box? Oh man. And what I really like about these, a lot of people do know that dash cams all fall off the windshield, right? So when you have the little suction cup up here, and within a couple months, 4 or 5 months, or even longer, depends how long the vibration lasts on a truck, how long you drive. I remember I had my Garmin, it falls off every, the suction cup Garmin, it falls off every 2 months. And it was really annoying. This one, like this one, it's a 3M double-sided tape on there, and it sticks on and does not come off. Like, I can hit it real hard and it's not gonna come off. The downside of these dash cams is when you have a crack in the windshield and you need to replace the windshield, you have to kind of break these off and then apply double-sided tape to it again. But it is what it is. Let's go ahead and install this thing and check it out. I got them placed right there next to each other. If you guys keep sending me dash cams, I'm just gonna have a line here full of dash cams. So can you stop sending me them, okay? We're gonna go ahead. So every time you stick a new SD card in any device, especially dash cam, you need to format it. So when you download it, you connect this to the Wi-Fi, and then we're gonna format card, okay.
Memory card format successful.
Okay. So successful format. Let's go back here. And then, man, it's really hard for you guys to see, isn't it? Oh, it's beeping because it's not recording, and I start recording right now.
Recording. One channel started.
All right, and it's recording. All right, perfect. And I got it lined up pretty well. Oh man, such a bad view for you guys, right? But yeah, there you go. There's the front of it. Really great quality, guys, and I love it because it connects straight to your phone when something happens. Also, I didn't even see this, but this thing is so cool. Pretty much this is called a wireless Bluetooth remote control. You connect this to your dash cam. It has like a double-sided tape. You pretty much glue it anywhere right here, and if something happens in front of you and you don't feel like pulling over and saving the footage through your phone, you literally click this button and it, look at this, hold on, is it gonna be connected? Oh, I guess you have to connect it manually, and it hits record and then it records pretty much what just happened a minute ago on your dash cam. That's really cool technology. I mean, it's, you know, it's cool technology for me. Oh my gosh, I forgot to put this on. Good thing this thing swivels, but there's a lens cover here that makes pretty, I guess, better camera quality. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and install that. But yeah, guys, check them out. Come on, look at this box. Looks like a damn expensive box, but a couple $100 or whatever this thing is on sale, I think, for. Check them out. I'll put a link in the description. Always, I never try to promote any product if I'm not gonna use it myself. They are not paying me to say none of this. So yeah, go ahead, check them out. I'm gonna go ahead, wait for my wife to show up, grab the kids, and yeah, get some food, and we'll be on our way. And we are out of there. We got about 180 miles left to go. Hopefully we don't hit traffic. No! Oh my goodness. I should have opened up my maps earlier, but oh my gosh, I didn't even see that. Hour 20 minute right there. Dang it, I should have exited there. I was like, why are people exiting? And then it was too late, and I looked at the maps. I usually always have my maps open, but dang it, I jinxed myself too. Oh my goodness. What a crap show. There's just everything going on here. All the side roads are blocked. I mean, it's supposed to be 3 lanes, but now it seems like there's 5 lanes. Whew. This is gonna be a long night. Yeah, I see the 4-wheeler running that shoulder. So what are we doing here? Should we like tell jokes or what? Oof, boys, I don't even know what to do. I guess I'm gonna record it when something interesting happens, because I might go to sleep on the shoulder. Damn, complete standstill, dude. Oh. Yeah, I got like that cheap radio, you know what I'm saying? I was trying to get a question going out. I gotta poop, and what do you guys usually do in this situation when you gotta poop?
I got my own toilet.
You got your own toilet? Is it just like a hole down where your bed is?
It's called a porta potty curve.
Dang, his stuff is squeaky. For real though, I do gotta poop. I don't know what to do. We're hitting that 2-hour mark. It's getting dark. Oh, I'm tired and I gotta poop. Well, whole highway shut down. Something bad happened. Everybody's bypassing through this highway. What is this? St. Augustine? If anybody even lets me through. Man, sucks. I'm not gonna lie, I have no clue where I'm going. There was no signs, no detour signs, no nothing.
State Road 206.
Oh man, I'm just following these trucks. I hope I'm going the right way. You're not gonna believe it. I got like 3.8 miles on this road. Some sort of US road, or oh my, it's all filled with trucks all the way to the, oh my goodness, bro. That's it. I'm pooping in the woods. I'm going in the woods, and I'm gonna probably see you guys tomorrow because it's getting dark. Oh. Morning. Wow, what that was a night. I don't know how to explain it, but 3 hours in traffic. I was only 3 hours away from Jacksonville. Yeah, that was I think the longest time I've ever been in traffic. My whole history of truck driving, so yeah, that was fun. I also didn't talk much about this drive-in trailer that I own. It is a 2017 Great Dane, and this thing has been tuna canned, opened up, destroyed. Roof was destroyed, the whole frame over there was destroyed, front rail was destroyed. If you guys want to see the rebuild process of this, go ahead, check it out. Link in the description, link on my channel. There was like 5 episodes of me rebuilding this thing. Also, about that red and and black flag. If you guys want to know more details about it, there's a good YouTube video out there that says, why does Ukraine wave the red and black flag? It is called the battle flag of Ukraine. A lot of people call it the revolutionary flag, and there's a lot of things that is written about that flag, but Ukrainians know exactly what it is. The problem with that flag, I think, when you're waving it, especially here in America, is people don't understand what it is. It looks scary. It's red and black, you know? So a lot of people do ask questions, and I try to educate them. You do go ahead and Google it, and it will tell you some other different information. It's pretty funny if you Google it. Go ahead and try it. But yeah, ChatGPT or whatever you trust AI technologies here in America, you can go ahead and Google it, and it tells you some weird information. Half of it's true, half of it's not. So, you know, beware of what you read on the internet, I guess. But let's go ahead and talk about this load rate. From Augusta, Georgia, we were, I think it was like 460 miles, plus my dad had 130 miles. It was about 580 miles, but we went ahead and took that detour and got stuck in traffic and all that. So we're just gonna go ahead and be conservative here, and we're gonna say it's 600 miles. So total payout for this load was about $1,600, $1,600. Which that will go ahead and equals up to $2.67 a mile. So for Blitz week, that's actually a very low rate, but I did kind of need to get home. It is already Thursday morning. I don't know what I'm gonna do after this. I'm just gonna go home, maybe grab a UPS if it pops up or here and there, do a local. You guys know what I do. I'm a local driver. I really don't feel like going out that long distances anyways. So I hope you guys like this little adventure we went on. Very interesting trip for Blitz week, and I'm glad we didn't get pulled over. It's not over yet. It is Thursday. I think they count it as a Tuesday to Thursday type of deal, but they do it all week. I mean, they do it Monday through Saturday. So probably not Saturday, probably Friday, right? They're kind of lazy on the weekends. They want to chill anyways. So yeah, guys, I appreciate it for watching this video with me. And yeah, I did rewatch this video after editing, obviously. So it's pretty great trip I had, but it's counted as a great trip for these times. If you guys didn't know, the trucking industry is collapsing, everything's collapsing, and we will survive. The only people that will survive if they have paid off equipment. So good luck to everybody, and don't get too offended, okay? Everybody chill out, everybody be blessed, and like always, stay tuned for more videos. Maybe I'll have a new rebuild, maybe we'll be trucking more. Who knows what's about to happen. So I appreciate it, guys. Deuces.